Su-35 Langkawi exhibition, Russian jet plane. So Russian jet plane in exhibition, 23 May 2025. One inverted, watching YouTube. One inverted, one upside down. This one exhibition, 23, yeah, inverted, yun. 23 May 2025, inverted feature. Inverted siya. Inverted, yun. Inverted. Su-35 Russian jet plane in exhibition, Malaysia Air Show 2025, Langkawi. Ayan ay 23 May 2025, Friday. So hanggang alas 9 na gabi, pasado. Exhibition, Su-35 jet plane exhibition. Su-35 jet plane, Russia's modern airplane, fighter jet plane.